traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So another good entry to go short. I mean, really, I technically entered last Friday. That's when I went short. I went short on the 1, 2, 3 waves up and the Fibonacci bounce with the engulfing move down. I held it over the weekend and then I cast out pretty much right where it is right now. And really, for me, the good news is that if this does make a new low, which it probably is going to, then we can remove our structure level that we have right here and we can move it down to here, which is great news because that gives us a closer structure break for the confirmation of the end of a wave A or the end of a wave 1 to the downside on the daily time frame. So that's definitely good news. So, but honestly, we definitely don't want to try to go long, trying to catch that move up. I personally would not even think about going long until we either get a break of this structure or until it goes down, makes a new low, and then goes up and breaks this structure. Otherwise, I'm definitely still looking for pullback entries. If it makes another three-way pattern to the upside, I definitely will go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. So we don't really have a whole lot on the news calendar over the next day or so. We got the BRICS summit starting tomorrow. Maybe that could do something. We got somebody in the UK. We got FOMC members speaking, and we got Lagarde speaking. I mean, Lagarde and the guy from the UK possibly could do something, but I don't really foresee a news-driven move in the market tomorrow. More than likely, it could be a little bit on the slow side. We'll see. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll get this new low and a break of structure, so that way we can start looking for longs for either a wave B or a wave 2 to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.